This is a lemon cookie dessert. It's eating cool and has very delicious flavor, perfect for sharing with the little ones in the house. It's my favorite dessert because the sweetness of the cookies and the acidity of the lemon seem like a perfect combination to me. I also like the cool sensation it has in the mouth. My mom used to make this recipe when I was a child, and it reminds me of spending good times with family. We need 4 ingredients: 4 lemons, 400 grams of the condensed milk, 600 grams of the heavy cream, cookies, depending of the dressing size. Step 1. Grate the lemon peel. In the blender, mix the 400 grams of the condensed milk with the 6 grams of heavy cream for 10 seconds. Gradually, add the lemon juice to thicken the mixture, increasing the speed until reaching the dressing consistency. Step 3. In a bowl, place the first layer of the cream obtained from the blender and there a layer of cookies. Repeat this process as many times as the recipe. Finally, decorate with the grated lemon peel. Place in the fridge for 1 hour and it will be ready to eat. The lemon in this cake is more acid and has a more intense flavor. This cake has more cookies than the previous one. This cake has more sugar than the previous one.